Hello everyone, I am John. Today we will be exploring as how GitHub Copilot can help us create a calculator using Python in Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I will simply provide a command and the Copilot will handle the rest. Okay, guys. So let's move into the code. Okay, so I'm going to create a new file. I am creating the file name as calculator lc1 dot. Since it is a Python program, I'm giving .py. Okay, now it has come. Okay, guys, and yeah. Okay, so I'm creating a Python code to create to create a calculator uh, to create a simple calculator code. Okay, so simple using function that accept two numbers and an operator. Okay, guys, like let's see. Okay, and yeah, let's see, guys. Okay, now let's see how it is going. Okay, define, it is giving, it's all automatically, it is prompting. Okay, so like I will be just giving only the tab part. Okay, so let's see how it is doing. I'm just giving. Okay, and define add. Okay, return x plus y and subtraction, yes, x minus y. Okay, I am not coding anything. Okay, I am just using the tab. When it is coming as a highlighter part, see, now it is giving us a highlighter. It's not the full fledged what to say sentence with different colors. So after I press tab, you will get it like this. Okay, and return x into y, and it will ask for a divide. Okay, and oh sorry. Okay, and take input from the user. Okay, and print select operation. 1 for add, okay, and 2 for subtract, 3 for multiply, 4 for, see guys how it is making our lives easy. I am not doing anything. It itself is asked 1 for add, 2 for subtract. Okay, so take input from the user. Okay, and choice enter the, yeah, it is asking we should give 1 2 3 4 instead of giving, because we should not get confused, right, whether we should we give add or whether should we give 1 2. It is asking like that. Okay, number, yes, input the first number, input 2, input the second number, print number 1 number 2. Okay, and if choice is equal to 1, okay, yeah, it is giving the add, and else if 2, okay, and I'm just giving only the tab part. It's choosing all the part. Okay, and just enter else, print invalid input. Okay, once the output comes means that's done actually from our end. Okay, for these are all just for instruction purpose. Okay, so if you look into the code, okay, I gave only the command Python code to create a simple calculator using function that accepts two numbers as an argument and returns the result based on the operator passed as input. Okay, other things, the rest of the things it has taken care. Okay, so here it has given add function, okay, subtract function, multiply function, divide, and here it is giving us the information. Okay, like what are the operations to be taken care, like thing, and next it is asking the choice 1 2 3 4, and it will be like give you the first number, second number, like step by step it is asking. If it is equal to 1 means it is adding this, if it is 2 means it is subtract, if it is 3 means it is multiply, 4, if something else means it is giving invalid input. Okay, now let's execute this, guys. Okay, okay, I'm going here. I'm run without debugging. Okay. So let's see. Okay. It is asking enter the choice. One means add, subtract, multiply, divide. Okay. So I want to, let's go with 1. Okay. For addition operation. Okay. Enter the first number. I'm giving 10. Okay. Enter the second number. I am giving 20. See, 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Okay, guys. So it has come. See, the wonderfully it has made actually. Enter the first number, second number. I have given the operation. So let's go with now multiply subtraction. Okay. Again, I'm going over here. Run without debugging. Again, it will ask me the same thing. I'm going with up with the 2. Okay. So enter the first choice. I'm giving 20. Second, I'm giving 10. Okay. Yeah, 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. See, it has given. And similarly, okay, we can try for multiply, and we can try. I'm going with the final thing of division. Okay. Next. Okay, I'm going with 4. Okay. First number is I will giving for okay, how can like 30. Second number 6 I'm giving. So it is giving the 30 divided by c is equal to 5.0. It is giving us the same. Let's give an invalid entry. Okay. Finally, we'll give, and then we can. Okay. I'm giving 9. It should give invalid input. Enter the choice. Okay. Like, see, it is giving invalid input. Enter the choice 1, 2, 3, 4. I gave 9. Okay, which is not the right thing, right? So it is throwing the error. Actually, it is an invalid input. Okay, guys, I hope you all liked this video, because how this, with the help of GitHub Copilot, how our lives, our developer lives, it's making easier. Okay, guys. So thank you. Meet you again.